Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Magento. So here we are going to learn about how to give a section to the customer to upload their profile image in Magento 2 on the my account page, also on the create account page also. So let's have a look how we are going to do that. So first of all, let's see how it looks. So I'm going to create a new account. So here we can go test account, test. We're uploading the new profile image. I think maybe I have something in the desktop image. This Burger King, we will upload this company name. We can add phone number, we can add street address, city, phone, email, super admin. Okay. So let's create account. So account is created, and let's check my profile picture on my account. So this is my account. Edit the account, so you can see that my profile picture is there. Okay, at the same time, let's go to the backend and see what exactly it is. So reload this one. Maybe it's going to log out, might be. So let's go to our customers, all customers. Let's remove this and let's check our last one. We have uploaded the customer profile image, right? And you can edit this one, and you can also account information upload. I can remove this one, I can upload the new one also at the same with the desktop. Anything I can add, suppose I will add Starbucks. So I have added save this customer, and I'm going to check my account what's exactly the image is. You can see that I can admin can also change the image. So this is how we can do that customer profile image change. So you want me to upload the full video on that by showing the code, what exactly how they are going to be manipulating. So you want that kind of thing, just write me down in the comment section that you want this module full video on that. Okay, so I will upload that and create a new video on that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Any thing that you want me to upload, just let me know in the comment section. Have a nice day, but don't forget to do like, share and comment. Have a great day.